Have you ever heard of the pen and suit experiment? It's an experiment where a group of individuals had to answer two questions. The question was, if a pen was being sold for $15 at a store that's very close to you, but there was another store that was 15 away that was selling that same exact pen for $8, would you make that 15-minute trip in order to get the pen at a smaller price? And most people said yes, they would go to make that trip to pay less for the pen. Then they asked if there was a suit that was being sold for $355, but 15 minutes away there was another suit that's the same exact one that you want that was being sold for $348, would you make that trip? And most people said no. Most people that did the survey said that they would go out of their way for the pen, but they would not go out of their way for the suit, even though the only price difference is still that $7. So this tells you a lot about business, and it tells you a lot about marketing. This tells us that the higher that you price your product, the less competition that you have to worry about. Meaning that if you are a company that sells high ticket items, you should be worrying more about quality and your branding rather than how cheap your